Hello everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that makes car owners uneasy? Lack of warranty on repairs. At Arts, we know you want repairs you can count on, and we back every job with a warranty for your confidence. Let me share a story about Vijay, a tech worker who came to us recently. His 2018 Honda Accord had a dented rear door from a fender bender. Vijay was cautious after a shop's repair elsewhere failed without warranty support. We walked him through our warranty and repair process, then restored his Accord to showroom quality. Vijay said, "Art's warranty gave me peace of mind. The repair is outstanding." Our secret? We use industry-leading materials, expert craftsmanship, and rigorous checks, then back it with a warranty. From minor dings to collision fixes, our Pomona shop ensures your repair lasts. And we're here if you need us. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we deliver warranted repairs you can trust. Ready for a shop that stands behind its work? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Tom, warmly to camera. Don't settle for repairs without a warranty. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to schedule your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, quality with a guarantee.